What is going on, everybody? And for those of y'all that are new to my channel, my name is Josh and I'm a part-time reseller. And today I got two special guests. I got my youngest daughter, Ella. Say hi, Ella.
Hi.
She's holding Pearl, our warehouse cat. And I got my son, Ty.
What's up?
And I told y'all in a couple videos before I would have them on camera there, wanting to be on camera and help me pull orders for today. So this is a what sold video, and it's going to be a quick what sold video. This is only for Thursday sales because my last video was from Monday to Wednesday. I realized that I should have kicked it out one more day to get Thursday in there too. So starting next week, you will see me drop a video on Monday for Friday to Sunday sales, and probably see me drop one on Friday for my Monday to Thursday sales. And that just gives us a more of a routine and a schedule, so you'll know when to look out for those videos. So today, it's not too bad. I mean, we did pretty good. Today is Friday, so yesterday was all right day. We sold a total of 5 items for gross sales of $210.84. So again, not bad for one day of sales. And so what we're going to do this time, because the kids want to help, is I'm actually going to give Ty the camera. He's going to walk with you along with Ella as they pull the orders, and they're going to tell you how much we sold them for. And I'm kind of just going to be in the background. So it's kind of cool. They're going to work for me, and I ain't got to do nothing. So again, if you like this content and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And if you're ready to go see what I sold, let's go get it. Okay, all right, Ella. All right, everybody, our first item we have, Ella, why don't you go ahead and pull our first item for us? Of course, everything we have pretty much, guys, is going to come out of this these holding bins, because I'm listing so many items I don't have time to really put it in the inventory system. But this item right here is a vintage Florida Power and Light Company. It's made by Electro Laboratories. It's the AC volts tester. If you look at the screen, I have it up there. You can see what it looks like because I didn't want to open it back up. But this item right here I got from a local pickup. I gave $2 for it, and I sold it for $25 with $10 shipping. So the buyer's all in at $35. So it was pretty cool. I didn't know much about it. There were no comps, so I just kind of shot from the hip, and I got what I wanted for it. Okay. So the next item Ella already has, and it is this Disney's Baby Eeyore. It's a musical plush. I know y'all have heard me talk about plush items before. Plush items are great items to have, and if you come across them, again, with the tags attached, please pick them up because you'll be surprised how much they sell for. But I got this for $1 at a thrift store, and I actually sold it for $18.50. So not too bad. You know, it's a quick little flip. I am paying shipping, and that thing's light, so it probably cost me $4 a ship. All in all, still a great profit. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is our next item. This is a Sony. It is a Handycam tripod mount. It's vintage in the package. It is model number is VCT-TK1. Ty and I actually got this at a rummage sale, an awesome rummage sale at a church in suburb of Memphis, and we only gave 25 cents for this, if that. We happened to hit it on their half off day, and they were trying to get rid of stuff. So when we picked this thing up, I've had it for a while. I listed it yesterday, and I actually ended up taking an offer for $40 plus $10 shipping, so the buyer's all in at $10. All right, while Ella's getting our next item from down below, this is a SunForce LED solar motion security light, and we got this at a yard sale. Ty, you're with me on this one, wasn't you? Yeah, Ty was with me, and I think we only gave maybe $10 for it, and kind of paid up on it a little bit, but it's brand new, never installed, never used. We sold it for $32.50 with me paying shipping. So I think after I ship it, I might clear $10. So, you know, I probably should put make the buyer pay for shipping, but that's what they were all going for. So I just wanted to be competitive. You know, it is what it is. All right, Ty, you want to get it?
Sure, I'll get it.
All right, so Ty, all right. So Ty's digging out our other item. It's going to be these like tool crimper tools. It's 2 of them together. Just set this thing out and keep on digging. They're probably gonna be dead in the back. I see them.
Are these 2 like PEX things?
Yep, both of those. All right, hold on for
Drop them.
Alright, y'all just gotta know how Ty is. Okay, so after the big catastrophe of Ty dropping these items, but what these are iOS. Anyway, they're crimper tools. I got these from the Give Me a 5 store, and I paid $5 for both of them. They're in a box, and we ended up selling these for $65 with free shipping. I'm gonna put them in a padded flat rate, which only cost me $7.90. So by the time we ship this thing out, we're gonna make real good profit off of these. So if you see this brand, pick it up. All right, y'all. So what y'all think about that? We just got finished pulling those items, and I know it was kind of crazy, a little different than we're normally used to. I know the last video I was at my house on the front porch, and today I'm back in the warehouse just because it had gotten dark on us. But again, it was a good day of selling. I'm happy with every sale that I'm making, and I hope that your sales are just as good or better than mine. And if they are, hey, comment below and let me know. And if not, hey, try to send some offers out. That's what I've been doing, and it's been helping me. You ain't got to send too many, just a few, just to get that eBay algorithm in check. You know what I'm saying? Try doing that and see if it don't work for you. But again, I'm so thankful for my kids being here with me today. This is how I deal with burning out when I'm doing reselling, because y'all know it can be lonely sometimes. But having my family here to help me is awesome, and I appreciate their help. And as you can tell, it's a lot of fun. We have a good time, and you know, we had Ella modeling the e-order that we sold, and Ty was pulling items as well. And Ty was behind the camera. He was running the camera, so we're getting him a little experience doing that. But tomorrow is Saturday, and we are going sourcing. Myself and Ty are going to Give Me a 5, the dig store. And real quick, I want to talk about that because I had a comment on my last video, and I don't have it pulled up here, but I tell you what, I'll find it and I'll throw it here in the video. But it was actually asked of me, what is $5 day? And real quick, for those of y'all that watch my videos and for those that are new, we go sourcing at a bin store where you have to dig through the bins. It's called Give Me a 5, and they restock on Saturdays and Sundays. And on Saturday and Sunday, everything in the store is $5. It doesn't matter if you find a iPhone 10 or a box of bolts. Now you can look up and get items in one package, like I do with water filters. I'll get 3 in a package. All those are $5 for the whole package. So when I talk about $5 day, that's what I'm talking about. Now, as the week goes on, they lower the price. So like Monday becomes $3 day, Tuesday, Wednesday's $2 a day, and then Thursday's $1, and then Friday is either 25-cent day or fill a bag day. So that's what I'm talking about when I say $5 day. I mainly go right now, the way my schedule is, on Saturday, and it's $5. So for those of y'all that have any questions, please leave them below, and I will answer them as quickly as I can. And if I don't think I answered them well in the comments, you see what I'm doing, I'm throwing it on the video. So thank you for asking that question, and let me bring in that to light to everybody. But again, y'all, it's Friday evening. We have some shipping and some packing we got to do. And then after that, we have some Mandalorian to go watch because it's the new episode. And these are my Mandalorian fans along with me. And we're going to order some pizza. We're going to eat some pizza. We're going to put our feet up. We're going to watch some Mando. And we're going to enjoy the rest of the evening. And we hope y'all do the same. We will catch y'all tomorrow as we go sourcing for some cool items on Flipping and Shipping.